Hello everyone. We are gonna demo a names, yeah, my name is Yogesh from GeeksHQ, and this is Ranjit.
I'm from Rails Factory.
So we are five people working on this product, and starting with Magesh, myself Yogesh, Raghuvansan, Ranjit, and Vasudha. So we have created this product as a part of our initiative to bring in the Indian startup companies into the focus. We have geekshq.com, which is quite popular. I guess many people. Can anyone raise your hands if you know about GeeksHQ? Okay, quite a few, but not very many. So GeeksHQ is a kind of blog where we focus on startup companies in Chennai, mainly Chennai. So we are also plans to go to other states and find out about other startup companies. So this is what we do. We go interview people and put it in our blog geekshq.com. So this is a part of geekshq.com, and we call it as StartupHQ. This product, Magesh had this idea for a long time to create something related to a place where people can demo what people and companies can demo their technologies. So we'll get into it. Ranjit is going to take the ride from it.
So StartupHQ is fully about database about the technology and the products. Okay. So we have three modules. One is people. Okay. So what exactly we have in people is
Okay, and I'm going to continue from here. Let's say, there are many technology enthusiasts here, and they don't get into focus until they create something. But this is a platform where people can show off their little projects, their projects. If a person is a freelancer, he can just create a page here, and he can give a list. He can give the list of companies he's working, and this particular person, this Magesh here, this particular person will be related to these many companies. So if he's a freelancer, he can just type in a freelancer. He's a freelancer. So let's say there's a company who's looking for an expert in Ruby on Rails. So this is a place where you can find the people, find the resource for Ruby on Rails developer. So there's another tab called companies. Ajit.
Have you guys been able to get StartupHQ.com?
No,
we are trying to get
we
some
do
of
have StartupHQ.in is available.
Okay.
We'll be buying it. I hope no one has priced it before us.
No, right, quickly.
Not yet. Look for my ideas here.
You become a free domain sponsor.
So we have another tab called companies. It takes a bit time because the service on some other laptop.
Okay.
So in companies, we can have a particular company, a startup company, or maybe a big enterprise company can create a list, create a profile here with a list of and put in a large number of data into it, like revenue, the number of people working in that company, the kind of product they build, the web links, the milestones. There are so many stuff that a company would like to showcase to other people what they do. So this is the kind of page that we are creating for people, for the companies. And they can also provide a list of people who are working at companies. So that thing will be linked with the people's speech. So this is the second part of this website. And then we have the products. Let's say if someone is looking for a product related to HR management, and a small startup company has already built that. So instead of buying it from an enterprise company, they can find it out here the kind of products. So this is the product part of this website. We are thinking of more ideas that we can put in this website, but this website is mainly for the entrepreneurs and startup companies in India. So if anyone has heard about Crunchbase, has anyone heard about Crunchbase? So it is similar to the Crunchbase. We are trying to make it similar to the Crunchbase, but adding some of features to it. So that people Crunchbase usually don't go to each and every part of the world. So then the startup companies in India don't get that much focus. But we hope that this website will try to get that focus. Indian startups in India, the startups in India to get focus.
Excellent.
So yeah, we are planning a lot more stuff. So if anyone has any idea to add on to this website, we are very much flexible to it. Would like to hear about it.
So is this, can you tell us a little bit about the technology stack?
We are using Ruby on Rails here.
Ruby on Rails.
Yeah.
So are you going to put it in GitHub or something like that?
No, we have
No. So we haven't right now.
That came very quickly.
We are not planning to make it under MIT license for now, but we have not decided about the business model.
So if you want other people to help you, you have to tell them some reason why they should help you. In addition to,
Because
so it has to be
But
something
we're
that,
releasing some APIs that they can make use of.
okay.
like if someone, we also had a plan to add Twitter feeds of about that particular company.
Okay, no, not the features, I'm talking about the direction.
Where
So
are you going with
either
this?
it's a commercial product or it's a open source product.
It's a company.
It's a commercial.
Okay.
It's a commercial
They-
product.
they-
But
we'll be
we are not
building-
going to make any of it.
Sorry, what's this?
We are not going to.
So it's not a commercial product, it's a closed source, completely curated project by one company. That's more like it.
But you're going to make it available free for companies to
Yeah,
register it. So that way it's not like paid service.
Yeah, it's not a paid service.
So how will you make money out of this?
We have not decided about the business logics yet, but we believe that in case we get lots of companies into the listing here and lots of people, then we might put in some ads or put in some partners into it. Like we might have Proto.in or some other company as a partner to it. But we haven't thought about the business logic yet. We just wanted to create a website.
I don't think Proto's making money either. So.
One question, when I was planning to like have an extra prototype, given that this event is very fully prototype, I thought we were highlighting prototype which could be converted into startups, right?
That's a brilliant idea.
Prototype that if you were part of it, and then people can come and focus on those ideas.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, I think. So, like, if anyone comes up with the idea that we can implement here, it's going to help the startup community here. Because the more the features we have here, more the people get into focus. More the people and companies get into focus here. So it's like kind of it's a kind of help to the community, the startup community. So, any more questions?
See, one of the things that startup companies need is funding, right? You might want to add a focus on who is funding, which companies are funding.
We do have
Investors.
Okay, investors.
yeah.
Get a fair idea.
Like when a company profile has been created, they can list the investors like VCs that are involved in that particular product or company. So that's going to help in multiple ways. VCs will get their profile into it, and a person can know what are the companies that particular VCs is funding. questions? Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.